The future of drone defense, a 20mm Gatling gun. At DSEI 2023, MSI Defence Systems unveiled the Terrahawk Paladin, a deployable system designed to target various unmanned aerial systems. The fire control system employs AI for target tracking, ballistic compensation, and is further enhanced with network capabilities. Advanced Protection Systems, APS, a Polish company, enhances the system's target recognition intelligence. APS, founded by MSI developed DSEI radars and SKYctrl anti-drone systems known for detecting minute-flying objects. The SKYctrl radar can simultaneously track multiple targets, differentiating between birds and drones using AI and machine learning. The system provides accurate 3D positioning of objects in real time. DSEI radars boast instrumented ranges from 7 to 50 kilometers and are already in use by forces from several countries, including Norway and Saudi Arabia. MSIDS's Paladin Terrahawk has versatile ammunition capabilities, including a 20mm Gatling gun airburst effective up to 1.5 kilometers. DS30M Mark II, another product from MSIDS, is a ship protection system built around a 30mm Mark 44 Bushmaster II cannon. Trials of the DS30M Mark II system are soon expected in the UK and the Middle East. MSI and APS's collaboration brings together UK and Polish defense technological advancements. The system's capabilities could redefine aerial defense against drone threats. The integration of AI and machine learning further solidifies the potential of this counter-drone system. With increasing global focus on drone technologies, such counter-drone systems are paramount for security. That's it for today. To stay up to date on AI plus drones plus military, don't forget to subscribe.